Good morning, children. Welcome in our maths period. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. In this year, we have fully enjoy with online classes. Student, in this lecture, means today we are going to take multiplication word problem. How we will solve? Means that given information, we will make word problem of your own word. First of all, students, you know that in this year, means that 2020-21, textbook part 2, all syllabus has completed. And you know also that our maths paper will be 9th April 2021. So, before 2-3 weeks were there, we have done practice also, revision also. But that remaining only that word problem of multiplication. First of all, students, best of luck for your exam. Yes, students, and stay happy, stay healthy at home. Okay, students, let's start. Our today's topic is make your own problem of multiplication and solve them. Means that, students, we can see here there are given information. Means that, see this 25 children. 25 children. And see 7 rods. See, students, easy only that. How we will make this word problem of multiplication. See, students, here write problem. Problem. Okay. And start means that 25 children in a row. In a row. How many in 7 rows? And give question marks. Easy only that, students. It's very simple. Okay. And solve this. See this. Solve here. Means that here 25. This is a multiplicand. Means that children. And see multiplication 7. Number of rows. Number of rows. And find out product. See, this first step is the 7 5s or 5 7s. Tell me, students, 7 5s or 5 7s. See this 35. We have write 5 under the 1's column and 3 is carried over. Then 7 2s or 2 7s. 14 plus 3, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Means that total children. See this total children. Means here is first of all given only information and we have make the word problem of multiplication in your own word and solve them. Okay. Means there are, see, total children's 175 in such 7 rows. Okay students, see this. Next will be here. Take this next. Here is given 15 trees. 15 trees in one row. And see like that 9 rows. Then see, we have make this word problem. Problem. See this. Here we can see here students 15 trees. 15 trees. See, let us, means that if there are, like that also we have to write, if there are 15 trees in one row, in one row. How many trees? How many trees in 9 rows? Means how many trees are there in 9 rows, and give question marks and solve this. See here, solve. We can see here students, it's so simple. See, there are 15 trees in one row. Trees in one row. Multiplication symbol, and see here is 9, and this is a rows. 9 rows means that number of rows. Okay, then see, find the answer. Means that, look at this here, 9 5 ja 45. 4 is carried over. Okay, then 9 1 ja 9 plus 4 is equal to 134. This is a total trees. See, means that we are right here, total number of trees. Total number of trees is 135. This is a final answer, and it is called product also. Okay students, now then see here, next word problem is there. See students here, let us see. "20 laddus in one box." 3. 20 laddus in one box, and like that 8 boxes. See students here, first given information we have write, means that we have make word problem, means that see problem, word problem, right here, one box hold 20 laddus. One box hold 20 laddus. How many laddus do 8 such boxes hold? Okay, this is first of all making word problem from this given information. Means one box can hold 20 laddus. How many laddus do 8 such boxes hold? Then solve this. See students, here 20 multiplied by 8. What is this 20? Laddus in one box. And see this number of boxes. And see, find the answer. Product 800. 8 2 za 16. Means that, see this, here total laddus, how many are there? Total laddus, see this, 160. 160. Okay students, like that way we are going to solve make word problem of multiplication. Students, let us see second term exam 2019-20. This is a last year second term exam paper. So students, all of you look at this paper and solve also. Okay, first question we can see here, filling the blanks. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, now see 300, 5 tens and 4 unit means. Now see 300, 5 tens, 4 units means 354. What is this? 354. Let's see students, next question. When something is divided into 4 equal parts, each of the part is a quarter. Quarter. What is this? Answer, quarter. Means that 4 equal parts means each part is called quarter part. Okay. Now look at this. Next is given second question. Look at this students. Here is, look at the table below, answer the question. In our textbook this question is there. Okay students. Let's see here, name of the crop in the field and farmer growing it. See these questions and here given chart and see asking some questions about how many crops does the table give us information. See there are total how many crops? See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many crops? There are 6 crops. 6 crops. Does the table give us information? See, what is this answer? About how many crops does the table give us information? Means 6 crops does the table give us information. Now let's see next question. How many farmers grow jawar? Look at this chart, jawar. See this, here is the jawar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many farmers? Means here we can write here how many farmers? 8 farmers. 8 farmers grow jawar. Like that way we also write this all answers. Next question. Which crop is grown by the smallest number of farmers? See this here. Students, which is the smallest number? Means look at this chart. Here is the looking sugarcane, only 2 farmers. Means that lowest number, smallest number is the 2 here. See, so last question, which crop is grown by the smallest number of farmers? Means that here sugarcane crop is grown by the smallest number of farmers. See, like that way we can complete this paper. Okay. Then see, let us page number 2. Carry out the addition below. Here is given carry out the addition below. It's very easy. Simple only that. See, 9 plus 2, 11. 1 is carried over. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Then 8 is here. 1 is carried over. Then see here, 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. Means answer 581. Now see this. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. See this, 1 is carried over. Then see, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. Okay, here is 4 and here is 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Means we can see here 541. Okay, students. Then see here, add in horizontal arrangement. See this, add in horizontal arrangement. 999. See this, plus 1 is equal to 1000. And it is a 4-digit smallest number. Okay. Then see, next will be subtract. Now see this, 90 minus 59. We can see here we cannot subtract 9 from 0 units. So, unit is this. Here we can take 110 from 9, means 9 become 8 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Then see, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Means answer is 31. Then see here, start from first unit place. You know that. See this, here also same position, 6 units. We cannot subtract from 4 units. So, unit is this. Means we can take this 1/10 from the 5. Means 5 become 4 and here 4 become 14. Now 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Then see again, 4 minus 5. Not possible that. So, take this 100 from 6. Means that 6 become 5. And 4 become 14 tenths. Now possible that. 14 minus 5 is equal to. See this. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. And here is the 5. Means 598. Okay students. See this. Next question will be here 775 minus 367. Same position here, not possible. Cannot subtract 7 units from 5 units. So take that 1/10 from 7. Means that 7 become 6 and 5 become 15. Now 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Now 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Then 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Means that final answer is 408. Now let's see next question. Okay students, see this here. Write the biggest possible 3-digit numbers and make the the smallest possible 3-digit number using the given digits and subtract one from the other. First of all, we have make that 3-digit numbers. Okay, 354, 340, 45. Then 453, 435. Okay. Then see next 543 and 534. And see, observe here which is the biggest 3-digit number here. See this 543. Then see right here 543. And which is the here smallest number? See this 345. 345. And see, subtract this. Now look at this. We cannot subtract 5 units from 3 units. So here we can take this 110 from 4 tens. Then 4 become 3. 3 become 13. 13 minus 5. See this students, 13 minus 5. Tell me students, here is 13 minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Means see this here. What will come? 8. Then see, now look at this 3 minus 4. Not possible. So, take this 100. Means here is the 13 tens and 5 become 4. Means 13 minus 4 is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here is 9. Then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Means that final answer 198. Okay students, it's so simple. Now let us start next page. Here third A question. For each of the figure below, draw a line along which you would fold the figure to show that it is symmetrical figure. See this symmetrical figure. Means that shown like that symmetrical figures. Okay. See this. This also like that show symmetrical figure. Okay. Then see next question. Multiply. Multiply with lattice method. Now see this. Here is given already, all given. You only solving. See this here. 6 0 0. And 6 5s are 30. Then 6 1s are 6. Means here 300 plus 6 is equal to 306. Means that 51 multiplied by 6 is equal to 306. Then see next 32 multiplied by 14. Already given that chart. See this. Only we have solved this. Now see this here. 3 1s are 3. And that 2 zeros put after here. 10 2s are 20. Then see 4 0 0. 4 3s are 12. See this 4 2s are 8. We have get 4 products. So see this here is the 300 plus 120 plus 20 plus 8. Then do that addition. Here is 8. Then here is 4. Here is 4. Means that we can see 448. Finally answer is 448. Look at this next. Divide. Now see this 42 divided by 7. See this in that table of 7. 7 6 are 42. Solve only. Then 47 divided by 5. 5 9s are 45. Means here is the remainder 2. Okay. Then see here next question. Write down the units for measuring time. Means that which units measuring time? Hours, hour, and which minute? See, means hour and minute that units for measuring time. You know that? Okay, students. Then see here, how much is of the following? 3/4 of 40 rupees. Means that how many rupees? 30 rupees. How we can see this? Find out. 40 divided by 4. First of all, when something is divided into 4 equal parts, means that see, we can see this 4 tens are 40. We can get that one part, then 3 part, take them all together, then we get 3/4 of that number. So here 30 is 3/4 of 40 rupees. Then see, a quarter of 80 liter kerosene. Means that quarter of 80 liter kerosene means when something is divided into 4 equal parts and each part is called quarter parts. Means that students, here we can see here 80 divided by 4. 4 twos are 8. See this, then that 0, bring down 4 0 0. Means that answer is 20 liters. How many? 20 liters. Okay, understood this? How much is each of the following? Look at this last page, students. Here is B. Look at the pattern below. Which one is like AB, AB? Which one is like ABC, ABC pattern? See this A, B, A, B. This is the first pattern is A, B, A, B. And next, see this A, B, C. A, B, C. Which one is A, B, C? This is a A, B, C pattern. Okay, students. Then see here, solve the following word problem. 25 children in a row. How many in 8 rows? Here we can see 25 children. 25 children. And see, multiply by 8 rows. This is a rows, number of rows. And find the product. See, 8 5s are, let us see. Tell me, students. 8 5s are 40. Then 4 is carried over. 8 2s are 16. Plus 4 is equal to 20. Means that, students, here we can see here. See this. Answer is 200. Means that right here 200's total children in 8 rows. Like that way we can solve this word problem. Okay. Then see next. At the pollution testing center, 193 two-wheelers and 297 four-wheelers vehicles were tested. What was the total number of vehicles tested for pollution center? Means here total number asking here. First of all, read this word problem properly and what given in that question, that also find out. And what to be find out? See this here. See, given is the two-wheelers, four-wheelers. And see this. And finding the total number. So, here 193. What is this? Two-wheelers. What is this? Two-wheelers. Okay. Plus, here is the which operation? Total number means that addition. 297 four-wheelers. See this? That also very important. Write this and finding the total number of this. 7 plus 3, 10. See? 9 plus 9, 18 and 19. Here is the 9. 1 is carried. And here is the 4. Means that, see this? Finally answer. See total number of vehicles. How many? Total number of vehicles How many are there? 490. Is it correct? Okay, students. Then see, last will be here. We can see one curtain can hold 6 laddus. How many curtain will be needed to pack 54 laddus? This is an example of division. What is this? Division. Means that, see, there are, see this given, what given? 9 curtain. See this? Means here one curtain can hold 6 laddu. Then how many curtain will be needed to pack 54 laddus? म्हणजेच 54 लड्डू बस ठेवण्यासाठी किती कर्टन लागतील? Means that 54 divided by 6. Okay. 6 9s are 54. Means that 9 curtains. See this 9 curtains. 9 curtains needed to pack 54 laddus. Understood? This is the last year paper. Students, in our practice test will be on Tuesday. Means that 6 April 2021. Means I have given to you paper pattern. See? Means that like that paper pattern, same given that paper also. So all of you do the study at home. Stay safe, stay healthy. Yes, I hope all of you fit and fine. Students, I think this is the last lecture of in this year 2020-21. Yes, then all of you see this, do study properly at home. Yes, stay safe, stay healthy. आणि प्रार्थना करा की हा कोरोना जाऊ द्या आणि 15 जूनला आमची शाळा पुन्हा एकदा सुरू होऊ द्या. थँक यू स्टुडंट.